stuck between getting another job, becoming a YouTube consultant, and really getting back on my grind with other stuff. Like, I don't even know what this video is gonna be of, y'all. I don't know if it's gonna be a productive vlog or realistic day. I don't know, okay? But I'm just taking y'all along with me. Then I got frustrated. Mind you, I got frustrated with myself because I uploaded the wrong video. So then I had to delete a video, then upload another video. And now it's just misleading. It's very misleading. Y'all, it is November 16th. It is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was supposed to be up at 7 working overtime and doing all this extra stuff, and now I'm just not doing none of that. Like, I edited a video, boom, but you know when you get that call and somebody just mess up your momentum, like, child, it be taking me a minute to get back. So I am getting back, getting my ish together. I need to take my hair down because it looked like it's 5 years old. I probably had these braids in for 2 months or something like that. Maybe 2 months. Then I was trying to record me vlogging so y'all could see, or not record me vlogging, but record me editing so y'all could see like in real time how I be editing and stuff like that. But I gotta have this SD card in my computer so that I can edit, because then it'll say media not found. So there's that too. It's just great. That's why he locked out. Why he locked out.
Fuck your mind up. Waste time, I'm prone to that. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Get you to myself as murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself as murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. It's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids. So don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. I like you, so baby, I look like you.
We got going in the back. When I say something, you say it right back. Yeah, but you said we're gonna do it like this here. Great. Put your thunder shades up.
Yeah, I had to stop because we picking up our Walmart order or whatever, and he marinating over there. That's my piece of chicken. Adulting sucks. But we gotta eat.
Man, niggas gotta get groceries and stuff. Like, I ain't have to worry about it. I got a snack from the gas station every once in a while or something. Taco Bell maybe. Now I'm buying chicken, rice and beans and broccoli and stuff.
Going outside looking like Big Worm.
And you better have my money.
Oh, this more than enough.
Way more than, that's why I said one, because I was like, them things be coming back.
So we got drumsticks, chicken breast again, some beef smoked sausage, asparagus, red pepper, green pepper, cabbage. There's a method to the madness, I promise. You might not see it in this video. Damn! I got the smaller bag for $1. Oh my god. We ain't never gonna need for nothing. I can't talk to y'all no more.
I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and you'll give us to it can break you off, and your hips do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your hips do it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your hips do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and your hips do it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your hips do it all. No, do nothing at all.
I am clocked out today, signed by a tired girlfriend. I will take my hair done tomorrow and I will show y'all then, but I'm tired. I'm not even going to sleep. I'm preparing for tomorrow, so whatever I do, I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm just not doing no more hair. All right, y'all, so it is the next freaking day. Don't say not too much on my hair, not too much on nothing. I'm taking it down. But so I'm finna hop on this call with this girl. I'm gonna edit a little bit of it so y'all can get some little bits and pieces, and then we gotta let our chicken marinate, which we'll do that after and stuff. But I just want y'all to sit on this call, especially like this video is crucial if you are literally starting your YouTube channel, or like you trying to get back consistent with your YouTube channel. One thing I don't play about is my time. Y'all, I am not gonna lie, I have a whole freaking headache. I do not feel good at all. But I'm literally, I put the sauce on the jerk chicken. I did not record it, and I'm making the rice for it right now. What it looks like after, I'm gonna show y'all. But I'm literally about to clean up for a little bit because, child, it's a mess in here. It look like a tornado floor on my kitchen.